Hurricane 3000 anti-drone equipment will be showcased in the 93 Military Parade. The military parade commemorating the 80th anniversary of the victory of the Chinese People's War of Resistance against Japanese aggression and the World Anti-Fascist War will be held in Tiananmen Square on September 3, 2025. At that time, a new type of anti-drone equipment, Hurricane 3000, will make a brilliant debut and attract much attention. Hurricane 3000 is a high-power microwave weapon developed by China Ordnance Equipment Group. It is mounted on an 8x8 truck chassis, with a large volume and power, suitable for carrying out tasks such as defending key areas. Its working principle is similar to a microwave oven, which can release high-energy electromagnetic radiation in a directional manner, damaging the electronic components inside the drone, causing it to fail or burn out. Hurricane 3000 has a range of up to 3 kilometers and can cause point, area damage to micro, light, and small unmanned aerial vehicles as well as cluster targets. It has the characteristics of 5 highs and 2 lows, namely high perception accuracy, high strike speed, high resistance to saturation attacks, high combat sustainability, high environmental adaptability, low usage cost, and low collateral damage. The appearance of Hurricane 3000 at the September 3 Military Parade will showcase China's advanced technology and strong capabilities in the field of anti-drone warfare to the world.